Hi, Mike.
Whoa, hello.
Looks like you've been busy clearing out your field. Almost done? This looks fantastic, Mike. Hi, guys. Ready to start the maze? Better let Mike know. He'll probably want to time you. Mike! Mike!
Whoa.
Mo, Malcolm, and Max are ready to try the maze if that's okay. Okay, guys, there are 3 colored flags on the ground in the middle of the maze. Mo, you'll be green. Malcolm, you're blue. And Max, you can be red. The first one to get their flag and exit wins. Got it? Great! Have fun and good luck. It's not easy, is it, guys? You don't want to split up in case one of you beats the other one to the middle? But guys, obviously someone has to win. Maybe Mo will win. What's wrong, Mike?
Hello.
No sign of them yet? Soon it will be dark. You better call Maverick. He'll know what to do. Hi, Maverick. You look nice and clean.
Hey.
Have you been to the car wash today?
Hey.
We need you to take a ride to the farm. Your friends need help. That's probably Mike now. Hi, Mia. Maverick is on his way to Mike's farm, where some of our friends are lost in a giant corn maze. Do you think you can help? Fantastic! Let's go! Hey, Mike!
Whoa.
Has anyone come out yet?
Whoa.
Clearly, Malcolm and Max are okay. They're arguing. That's Mo. He's okay too. Are you going to go into the maze to find them, Maverick? Huh? You want them to figure it out for themselves?
Hey.
You've reached the center, guys. Maverick suggests that you stop fighting and work together to get out of here. Mo is still in here too, but it looks like he beat you to the middle because his green flag is gone. Better get going if you want to catch up with him. Mo, what are you doing? The exit is right around the corner. Why aren't you leaving the maze? You'll win. You're waiting for Max and Malcolm so you can all leave together. You're pretty awesome, Mo. Are you going to get Mia to direct them out, Maverick? Oh, she's going to shine her light down so they don't blind each other with their headlights. Looks like you guys are relying on Malcolm's detective skills and Max's confidence to find your way out. Mo left you guys a trail, and you were so busy arguing that you didn't even notice. Good idea, Mo. Cross the finish line together. How did you know Mo would guide the others out, Maverick? First, you knew he was great at mazes. Second, he's your best friend. And third, he is much smarter than the others give him credit for. Good answer. Enjoy your evening, everyone. See you next time. Hey, Miranda. Nice day for a cruise, eh? What is it? You've forgotten something. You can't tell me? Now I'm really curious. Hey, Maverick! Miranda needs your help. She wants to set up a scavenger hunt for Father's Day. Think you can round up some monsters for it? We'll meet you back here, Miranda. Hey, why are you doing a scavenger hunt on Father's Day? A secret? I wonder. Who are you looking for? Marty, Milo, and Mitch, eh? Sounds like a party. Miranda has set you a challenge, a scavenger hunt. You need to find a fishing rod, a soccer ball, and a telescope. I didn't hear that one. What's with all the secrets today? Are you ready? All right, let's go! Hey, Maverick, why are you doing this scavenger hunt? I don't understand. But why can't you say? Marty, can you tell me why you're collecting these things? Sworn to secrecy too, eh? Oh well. Hey guys, why are you... Oh. Okay, put them in the treasure chest. These are for me? So that was the secret! A Father's Day gift? That's so thoughtful! And my favorite things, too! Well, thanks, guys! I wonder what I'll play with first. Telescope? No, I think I'll go fishing. Or maybe... Hi there, Mia. Wow, that's a great painting.
Oh.
You're just learning. Well, I'm impressed.
Za. Mona. Plus beau.
Hi, Marty. What are you up to? Whoa.
Oh.
Hey, that's not very nice. Oh, dear. Oh, I'm sorry about your painting, Mia. But you can always start over. And I bet Maverick can help you teach Marty a lesson. Hey, Maverick. No time to eat. Mia needs to track down Marty. Can you help? Marty messed up Mia's painting and then ran away. Can you help find him?
Hey.
Great, thanks, Maverick. Let's get you ready.
Oh. Balaboo. Hey.
Why are you stopping? Hey, Mo. Got some scratches in your paint, huh? Oh, great idea, Maverick. Mo, can you help us track down Marty? Awesome. Let's go get Mia. Hey, Mia. Maverick is here to help find Marty. And so is Mo. Good thinking. We can find Marty faster if we all split up. All right then, let's go. I don't see him around here anywhere. No sign of Marty here either. Hey, isn't that Marty?
Hey! Whoa!
Guys, Mia found him! Hurry!
Hey.
You can use your boosters to catch up with him, Maverick. That's it! Wow!
Hey! Whoa!
Hey, he's trying to escape! Stop him, Mo! Nice work! Uh-oh! Ew, yuck! That's what you get when you pick on people, Marty. You want help getting out of the mud? Maverick's right. You need to apologize to Mia first for ruining her painting.
See?
See? That wasn't so hard. And Mia forgives you.
Oh.
Now, let's get you out of there.
See?
Hey.
Does anyone have a rope? Great! Okay, now pull! You think it's only fair that Mia gets to practice painting on Marty? What a great idea! Wow, you can't see the scratches at all. Well done, Mia.
Oh.
And it looks a lot nicer than the tape.
Minaba.
Yeah.
Mana.
Yeah. Aha.
Whoa!
Aw. Hey.
You look great too, Marty. You should think twice before being mean to your friends again, especially ones who can paint.
Mana.
Great teamwork today, you guys.
Yeah.
See you next time, friends. I wonder what Mo's up to. He sounds busy. Mo, look out! Mo, are you okay? You're right. I'm not sure how strong that tree is. Okay, I'll get Maverick. Hey, Maverick. New suspension. Mo is in trouble. He drove off a cliff and landed on a tree. Can you help? You're going to get Mia? I think she's out of town. All right, Milo and Mitch could do it. Lucky that tree was there, eh? All right, let's go. Maybe they took a day off work? Mo, Maverick is trying to find some help. Hold tight. Maverick needs your help to find Milo and Mitch. Can you help?
Ở đây.
Maybe they're at home. They're not in. Let's look for some clues. You're going to follow the trail? All right.
À.
Right, the trail stopped.
Ở đây.
Sun cream? That can only mean one thing, right? The beach! Exactly!
Thì đó bờ biển.
Oh, you're right, Malcolm. There are a lot of beaches in Monster Town. Which one will it be?
Ở đây. Bờ biển bờ.
The sunniest beach, of course.
Wow. Yeah.
Thì đó bờ.
Guys, we need your help. Mo is stuck on a tree on a cliff. He needs to be rescued right away. Let's go. Mo, hang on. Maverick is bringing help. Mia! It was a good thing you got here. How did you know to come? Oh, you saw nobody was around, so you looked on Maverick's monitor? Well, that's very lucky. Thanks so much, Mia. See you later, guys. Bye-bye, everyone.
Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.